When it comes to classic travel trailers, nothing quite captures the nostalgia and allure of the mid-century era like the 1947 Westcraft Sequoia. This gorgeous 28-foot vintage trailer, recently restored to perfection, offers a seamless blend of timeless design and modern amenities that make it stand out against today's flashy, tech-filled RVs. While modern-day travel trailers are often equipped with the latest gadgets and comforts, few can match the style and craftsmanship of this piece of American history. Originally built in the late 1940s, the Westcraft Sequoia was one of the leading travel trailers from a brand renowned for its quality. Following World War II, there was a resurgence in the RV industry as returning soldiers and young families searched for affordable ways to hit the open road and explore the great outdoors. Westcraft, founded in 1932, became a household name for durable, luxury trailers designed to withstand the elements and provide a home-like feel on the road. The 1947 Sequoia, built on a 28-foot dual-axle chassis, embodies that legacy perfectly. This specific Sequoia was part of a vintage trailer collection in Indiana for nearly 3 decades before being purchased by its current owner in 2021. The owner, who runs above and beyond customs, took on the monumental task of restoring the trailer to its original beauty and then some. After a full teardown and rebuild, the Sequoia now shines with a fresh tricolor blue and silver paint job and meticulously restored exterior features. The trailer has also been outfitted with new spray foam insulation, updated wiring, and plumbing to ensure comfort and functionality for years to come. The exterior of the trailer is where you truly appreciate the craftsmanship that went into this restoration. The custom rear bumper with a hitch receiver, propane tanks, and a mini-split condenser unit for modern climate control are just a few of the updated features. Its stunning dark blue wheels paired with National Road Max tires bring a modern twist to its vintage aesthetic, while refinished axles and drum brakes ensure that it can be towed safely down the road. Inside, the Westcraft Sequoia has been completely redesigned to capture the essence of its era while incorporating modern touches. The pecan-stained Russian birch wood cabinetry and red leather upholstery maintain the vintage vibe, while stainless steel kitchen surfaces and vintage-style appliances from Smeg and Bertazzoni provide all the modern conveniences you'd need. The refurbished 1947 sleeper couch is upholstered in the same red leather, adding to the retro-modern aesthetic that makes this trailer so charming. The kitchen is both stylish and functional, boasting sleek surfaces and vintage-style appliances, while a spacious lounge area at the front invites you to relax in comfort. The rear bedroom features a custom bed with a memory foam mattress, ensuring that you can rest easy after a day of adventure. The Sequoia, however, does lack a bathroom, an intentional choice, as the owner envisioned this trailer as more of a showpiece, perfect for a museum or placed on a scenic property with an outdoor shower or bathroom nearby. For lovers of vintage RVs, this 1947 Westcraft Sequoia represents the peak of mid-century American craftsmanship and wanderlust. The painstaking restoration has created a rolling work of art, combining retro charm with modern luxury in a way that no new travel trailer can replicate. Currently listed for sale on Bring a Trailer, the highest bid stands at over $100,000, with just days remaining for anyone interested in owning this extraordinary piece of history.